Remember the AI virtual girlfriend Karen AI that everyone was talking about last month? What if I told you that Karen Marjorie, the Snapchat influencer behind the AI girlfriend chatbot, generated $71,000 in revenue just after 1 week of beta testing, and she even projected that it could potentially bring in $5 million per month. The good news is, even if AI girlfriends aren't your thing, there are countless business opportunities that you can start with generative AI. In this video, being a software engineer myself, I'll reveal 4 highly profitable AI businesses that you can start right now from the comfort of your home. The first business on the list is providing products or services for AI prompts. Prompts are the instructions or inputs given to AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, guiding them to generate remarkable results. Ever had that moment where you're all excited to create an AI image of a breathtaking goddess, but boom, and ends up being a total creepy witch instead? Here's the deal, my friends. A well-crafted prompt is the key to creating the engaging content people want, but not everyone is good at designing good prompts. And this is where you have the opportunity to step in and shine. At this point, you're probably wondering, that's great, Naomi, but how exactly can I get started on an AI prompt business? Well, the most basic version of an AI prompt business is to sell AI prompts online. Let me show you the money-making potential of selling AI prompts. Regular people just like you and me are making tens of thousands of dollars by offering their prompts on marketplaces such as PromptBase, Prompt Outlet, Prompt Unity, and even well-known sites like Etsy. As you can see from these prompt marketplaces, the demand for prompts is skyrocketing. But here's the thing, you better choose your own niche. Why, you ask? Well, crafting a killer prompt for a specific use case calls for domain knowledge, whether it's specific industries like gaming, marketing, copywriting, e-commerce, or specific forms like text-based AI or art and image-based AI. There's a golden opportunity waiting for you. Let's take the seller here as an example for the gaming niche. The seller on PromptBase sells a ChatGPT prompt for chatting with an esports personal coach to help people up-level their esports skill, and has generated 82 sales just after 1 month. And this is just for this one prompt alone. Typically, one seller can have tens or hundreds of different prompts up in their listings simultaneously. So if you want to make your mark in the text-based AI world, ChatGPT is your gateway. But hey, if you're an artistic soul, you can create prompts for all sorts of use cases on text-to-image AI models such as DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and even Leonardo AI. And remember, the key to standing out in this competitive market is your expertise in different niches. Be the authority in your chosen industry, and success and money will follow. Selling AI prompts is a great start, but if you're aiming to take your AI prompt business to the next level, let me tell you about a game changer: prompt engineering. It's not just about crafting compelling prompts, it's a whole ecosystem. From designing scalable prompt templates and meta prompts, which are prompts that make prompts, yes, you heard me right, to managing workflows and ensuring quality control, prompt engineering covers it all. Now you might be wondering, Naomi, could you please provide us with an example of a prompt engineering business? Well, let me show you. Take, for example, this Etsy seller who doesn't just sell prompts, but offers a unique product called the Midjourney Prompt Generator for Notion. As you can see, this product goes beyond just prompts and includes Notion templates, as well as customized tools like a wide range of inputs and parameters to generate prompts. And if you're eager to deep dive into prompt engineering, don't worry, I've got you covered with some awesome free resources in the description box below. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Now let's move on to our next AI business idea, that is AI mentors. Picture having an AI mentor by your side, always ready to guide you back on track, elevate your consciousness, and regulate your emotions. An AI mentor is more than just a virtual assistant. It can be a powerful ally in somebody's journey towards success and personal growth. Let me share a personal experience that hits close to home. I firmly believe that self-consciousness is one of the most valuable qualities we can cultivate as humans. It allows us to recognize our self-limited beliefs and self-sabotaging behaviors so that we're able to make changes and become better versions of ourselves. But let's face it, we all have those moments when our consciousness dips below the desired level, hindering our focus and discipline. That's where AI mentors step in. AI mentors can provide reminders, encouragement, and daily feedback to help people develop discipline, stick to their good habits consistently, and be more present in every moment. How to get started with an AI mentor business? Hold on to your seat, my friends, because in addition to ChatGPT, I'm about to introduce you to some powerful human-like AI tools that you may have never heard of. Listen up. With AI applications like DID, Hey Jen and Be Human, you can create lifelike digital humans that deliver immersive human-like conversations. These real-time face animation and text-to-speech AI models allow the AI mentor to connect with users on a profound level. Also, you can use AI voice applications like Voice AI and Mirth AI to change voices or clone the voices from your favorite role models or celebrities. And speaking to personalized characters for the AI mentor, there's also a popular AI application called Character AI that lets you create characters or use existing personalities to chat with. Now, I know you're probably curious about the business model behind an AI mentor business. Here's the scoop. You can either opt for a subscription-based model where customers enjoy access to their personalized AI mentor anytime, anywhere, or go for a charge-per-minute model, allowing customers to engage with their AI mentor on a pay-as-you-go basis. By starting an AI mentor business, you can empower individuals to overcome the challenges and to become better versions of themselves. And I can certainly see the future of more AI being incorporated into the personal development industry, including mentoring and coaching. The next business idea coming up is something you might not have expected. That is AI fashion models. For those who are into fashion, what if I told you that you could start your own fashion e-commerce business using AI fashion models instead of traditional human models, selling from clothes to accessories to lash extensions and even nail products? One major advantage of using AI fashion models is the cost savings it brings. Traditional photo shoots could be quite expensive, with model fees, location rentals, and other logistical expenses adding up. But with AI models, you can significantly reduce those costs, which means more profit for your business. For example, a fashion company called StyleTech creates AI fashion models that reportedly slashes 70% of photo shoot cost, and it only takes about 15% of the time to execute. Also, the reduced cost and time to market allows you to easily scale your fashion e-commerce business, including selling more types of products or even different lines of products. And here's the best part. AI fashion models offer flexibility and convenience. With AI tools like Stable Diffusion along with ControlNet and OpenPose, you can have complete control over how your AI models look, how they're dressed, and how they pose. You can create unique and captivating visuals that perfectly align with your brand vision, all at your fingertips. Now maybe you're thinking to yourself, Nomi, what on earth is Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion is an open-source text-to-image model that can run on most consumer hardware equipped with a modest GPU. However, not everyone can afford a high-end PC with a powerful graphics card, which is essential for running Stable Diffusion. But fortunately, there are cloud-based solutions like Run Diffusion. So if you're looking for a no-code solution to run Stable Diffusion directly in your web browser, be sure to check out rundiffusion.com, which is an online application for those who don't want to invest in expensive GPUs but want to create stunning AI-generated content. One way to get started with AI fashion models is by dressing the mannequin with their clothing or accessories and then replacing the face, hands, and even legs with their own images using Stable Diffusion. This approach is especially great for those fashion content creators who want to build a fashion brand out of their persona with themselves as the model. Alternatively, you can also create multiple AI fashion models with a range of diverse body types, skin tones, and features that can resonate with a broader audience. But wait, there's even more potential for you. If you're passionate about software like Stable Diffusion and Run Diffusion, and even training your own LoRa and Checkpoint models, you can start a business by providing service to create AI fashion models for other fashion retailers. I mean, the possibilities here are truly endless. The last lucrative business is for those pet lovers out there, that is, using AI in the pet industry. According to the American Pet Products Association, the pet industry reached a milestone in 2020 with total sales of $103 billion. And people predicted that the global pet care market will reach $358 billion by 2027. Therefore, if you're passionate about pets and want to tap into a market that's on the rise, you've come to the right place, and I've got 3 unique ideas for you. First up, I've got an incredible business opportunity that combines art, fashion, and the love for pets. That is, selling customized AI pet portrait, clothing, and accessories. With the help of AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI that I have mentioned previously, you can create personalized pet portraits that capture the essence and personality of each pet. You can also offer stylish pet clothing and accessories like collars and bandanas designed to make pets look their best. For example, the seller on Etsy is selling custom pet portraits for up to $74, and they're a bestseller, which means they're probably making over 6 figures, if not more, per year. Now, let's dive into a heartwarming gift idea for pet owners: AI-generated pet storybooks. We all know how much our pets mean to us, and what better way to celebrate their individuality than through personalized storybooks? Sounds too difficult to start? Don't worry, I've broken down into 3 simple steps for you. First, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to create a story. Next, you can use Leonardo AI, which is a free creative AI image generator, to create story images. Did I just mention free? And lastly, you can use Canva to create a storybook. With these AI tools, you'll be able to create narratives that reflect a pet's unique adventures and traits. Imagine the joy on someone's face when they receive a beautifully crafted book about your pet journey. The last pet business idea is one that you probably wouldn't even consider to be possible to make money from, and that is AI-powered pet naming service. Naming a pet can be a daunting task for many pet owners, but AI is here to save the day. With this innovative service, you can provide pet owners with a curated list of creative and meaningful names for their new companions. When using ChatGPT to create names, you can take into account various factors like breed, gender, and owner preferences to generate a personalized selection of names. Consider how doable it actually is to combine the 3 ideas that I've just discussed into a full-blown AI pet business. You can provide the services and products either separately or as a bundled package. There you have it, my friends, 4 lucrative AI business ideas that make you stand out. Go ahead and try out the AI tools that I mentioned, all of which I listed in the description box below, and take action. I'm watching you. My robot buddy right here is also watching you. Remember, success comes to those who take their first step. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is my first ever video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content about business and finance. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!